A lot of people think you need to quit your job before you can start a real business, that you need full days of free time, zero responsibilities, and complete focus. But that's not true. Some of the strongest businesses in the world were started while people were still employed. Not because it's easy, but because having limited time forces you to be smarter about what you build and how you use your energy. In this video, I'll break down how to start an online business while working full-time, which business models actually work, and how to know when you're truly ready to leave your job. Most people fail at this for one simple reason. They choose the wrong type of business for their situation. They pick models that need constant attention during business hours. They build something that requires instant replies to customers. They create work that demands more time than they actually have. Then one of three things happens. They burn out, the business suffers, or their job performance drops and they lose both. The problem isn't starting while employed. The problem is choosing a business model that doesn't fit your constraints. So let's talk about what actually works. Business models that fit a full-time schedule. Not every business works when you only have a few hours a week. Some need real-time availability. Some need live support. Some require you to be online during normal work hours. You need models that fit your reality. Here are the ones that work best. First, productized services or freelancing. This is the fastest way to make your first money. You offer a specific service with a clear deliverable at a fixed price. The key advantage is control. You decide when the work gets done, usually evenings or weekends. Over time, you can turn your process into templates, retainers, or even a course. Second, digital products, templates, guides, mini courses, design assets. You build once and sell repeatedly. No calls, no scheduling, no live delivery. Someone buys while you're at work and everything delivers automatically. Third, newsletters, blogs, or YouTube. You create content on your schedule and grow an audience over time. Later, you monetize with affiliates, sponsorships, or your own products. The work happens when you choose, not when someone demands it. Fourth, micro SaaS or no-code tools. Small software that solves one specific problem for one specific group. Once built and stable, maintenance is low, and most questions can be handled with documentation. Fifth, communities or memberships. You provide curated value, templates, and scheduled office hours, not real-time support. Everything runs on your timetable. Sixth, low operation e-commerce. Print on demand or digital downloads because there's no inventory, no shipping, and minimal support. What doesn't work? High-touch services, tight turnaround custom work, anything that requires you to be constantly available during the day. Save those for later. How to protect yourself and your job. Before you start anything, you need boundaries. First, check your employment contract. Look for non-competes, IP clauses, and side business rules. Some companies are strict, some don't care. Know the rules first. Second, keep everything separate. No work laptop, no work email, no quick checks during office hours. Separate devices, accounts, and time. This protects you legally and mentally. Third, set a weekly time limit. 6 hours, 10 hours, whatever it is, don't exceed it. You're not building 2 full-time jobs. Protect your sleep, your health, and your relationships. Validate before you build. This is where most people fail. They get an idea, spend months building, launch, and hear nothing. Don't do that. Start with a specific customer and a specific problem. Not everyone who wants to be healthy. Something like remote workers who sit all day and want simple desk exercises. Then talk to 5 to 10 real people. Not surveys, conversations. Ask about their struggles. Ask what they've tried. Ask if they'd pay to solve it. Listen carefully. Good customers talk about results. Bad fit customers only talk about features and price. Next, create a simple one-page offer and a landing page with email capture.
You're not building the product yet, you're testing demand. Then pre-sell. For products, aim for 5 to 20 buyers. For services or software, 5 to 10 early users. If people won't pay, the offer isn't strong enough. Pivot, change the audience, change the outcome. Don't keep building and hoping. Money is the clearest signal. Once you have paying customers, build the simplest version that delivers value. No fancy tech. Use tools like Card, Stripe, ConvertKit, and Zapier. Deliver in weeks, not months. Over-deliver for your first customers. Collect testimonials. Momentum matters. Create one reliable customer channel. You don't need to be everywhere. You need one channel that works. Pick one. Direct outreach, niche communities, SEO articles, a lead magnet, YouTube videos answering real questions. One channel done well. Track simple numbers weekly: views, sales, revenue, refunds. As you grow, systematize everything: templates, onboarding emails, FAQs, calendar links, autoresponders. Batch your content. Set clear support hours. These systems let you grow without working more. A realistic weekly schedule. Here's what sustainable progress looks like. Monday through Thursday, 45 to 60 minutes per day for replies, outreach, and small tasks. Saturday, 2 to 4 hours of deep work, content, building, improving. Sunday, 1 hour reviewing numbers and planning. At 6 to 10 hours a week, enough to build something real without burning out. When to leave your job. People quit too early or too late. The right time is when 3 things align. Your business covers 60 to 80% of your take-home pay for 3 to 6 months consistently. You have 6 to 12 months of savings, and you know exactly how more time will create more growth. If you don't know how to scale, quitting won't help. Final thoughts. Starting while employed often is the smarter move. You have stability, you make better decisions, you're not desperate, you're forced to focus. Limited time creates clarity. You don't need to quit your job to start. You need to prove your business works first. Start small, test fast, build systems, and grow steadily. If this helped, subscribe for more videos on building businesses that actually work. And if you're not sure which model fits your situation, check the link in the description. I'll walk you through the exact system I use. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.